Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you a simple tip to sell excess timber in Heartopia and get more gold. Timber is one of the easiest materials to get in this game, and because of that, it often builds up and almost fills your inventory space. And if you sell raw timber directly to NPC Albert, you will only get 6 gold per item, and I think that's pretty low. So here's the trick to increase the price. Instead of selling the raw timber, just craft it into joinery chairs before. And to make one chair you need 10 timber and then when you sell one joinery chair to Albert you will get 70 gold. That means its piece of timber is now worth 70 gold instead of 6. So you gain one extra gold per timber, and I think it may sound small, but if you craft and sell in large amount, the profit adds up. So just craft as many chairs as you want on your workbench, and then just choose the joinery chair like this, and then just craft as you craft as many as you want. For example, I want to make a 15 chairs, and then just tap on craft, and then next just sell them to Albert, and then next just simply select sell items, and then just sell your chairs like this. With the 15 chairs you will get the around 1000 gold like this. And okay, that's it, simple, right? Just try this tip and just maximize your gold in Heartopia. Okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.